How to fix PlayStation network login problem. To fix a PlayStation network login problems, first of all, verify your password and check the official PlayStation service status to ensure the network is completely operational. So, all you have to do is launch the PlayStation application on your smartphone or web browser. Once you launch it, all you have to do is ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. And if you don't have strong Wi-Fi connection, simply try switching to your mobile data. And then, despite all of this resolve, if the login problem occurs once again, you simply have to tap on this lock-like icon on the address bar if you are on website, and you will find cookies and site data option. Go ahead and tap on this and proceed to clear the cache. Or if you are on mobile device and you are using the application itself, access the app info panel. However, I cannot show you the official PlayStation application because it is not available in my region, but you simply have to follow these steps. Once you're here within this app info panel, go to the storage option, then proceed to clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, go ahead and relaunch the application and now try to log in. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.